Let me see if it kind of lands where it's supposed to. All right, hold this. Hold on. Let me see. Here, take it. Ah, that's pretty close. Look at that. Just a little off. No, pretty much there. Look at that. Oh my goodness. All right, let's go ahead and walk over to it, and we're going to take a look at the DIY battery that I did, and I still use it the same way. This is one of those tattoo ginseng batteries. You can see I have the power cord here, and then on this side I have the balance plug plugged into this side. I made the ports here so I can plug them in, and this is how simple it is. This is how simple it is to go ahead and change it. I've got this strap on here. Take it off like this. First I'm going to turn it off. By the way, I put one of those little micro switch on it right here because the button that came off of the actual solar battery, it broke, so I kind of made one here, and this is how I turn it on and off. So this is how simple it is. I unplug this, it's got Velcro, I get another battery and put it right back on here. That's how simple it is. It works great. As far as flight time, this battery here, this one here is not in really good shape. This one is a 5200 milliamp at about 12C discharge, and I get about 10 minutes on it. When I first got it, I was getting like 12-13 minutes on it. This thing pulls a lot of amperage, and I was looking at the wattage. So if I would match up the wattage to the battery where it starts, when it starts needing it, I can say probably maybe we can go up a little bit on the discharge, so this way I can get a little bit of that oomph when it's flying up there, so it doesn't discharge as quick. Anyways, I am RC Tech Pro Flying. Guys, hope you've enjoyed our video. Tune us in. You got any comments, put them down below. Give me a like, subscribe, tell your friends. That's me. See ya.